Today you won't believe who's getting a hair transplant at our clinic. It's my mom.
I really love your mom.
At Hermest we help thousands of patients, but today extra special because we are gonna perform that operation for my mom.
Warmest and safest harbor. I first saw her at a friend's gathering. She smiled brightly and crashed into my heart. A polite greeting in the lift.
She's been thinking about this for years and I was motivating her, now it's her turn. DHI is a safe and personalized technique ideal for women and men with long hair. It doesn't require full shaving.
I really love your mom.
See you tomorrow,
This
Mom.
love is so hot that it can't be hidden.
The next day.
Want to accompany her through the years. Give her the warmest and safest harbor. I first saw her at a friend's gathering. She smiled brightly and crashed into my heart. A polite greeting in the loop.
All our patients become a part of Hermest hair family, but today you can see we are family.
And crashed into my heart. A polite greeting and loop. Ooh, I first saw her at a friend's gathering. She smiled brightly and crashed.